Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you another tutorial on how to make dollhouse food using the toilet paper mixture that I made. Now, this one particularly I did with green because I wanted to make green beans. Alright, so the very first thing I did was I followed the tutorial that I showed you in the previous video, which I'll put the link below, but I did not add the plaster to it. Also, if you drink Circle, save your caps and make great bowls. And these foods here you're seeing, they were also made with toilet paper. Okay, so here's the ingredients. I added the food coloring, mixed it all up. Now, what I'm doing is I'm pulling a little tiny piece off at a time, and then I'm rolling it in my fingers. And as I'm doing that, I'm kind of pressing left and right with my fingertip to make the edges narrower and the middle wider. Okay, then I removed it, and then I repeated this process probably about 100 more times because I made a lot of green beans. All right, so that's all it is to this. It's a super easy tutorial. Like and subscribe, leave a question, suggestion, or comment below, and I will see you in the next video. And there's lots more food tutorials because I made lots of them.